What is up, guys? Back again with another unboxing with another product from vipertek. Today it's the VTS 195. Let's get straight into it. People love the stun gun videos. As you can tell, it's got the little Chinese holiday looking stuff on the inside. Got its own sheath with a wrist strap. This one's a bit bigger than the other ones, I can already say. There's a dedicated on and off switch on the bottom here. Go ahead and cut that on. And cut it off. Okay, it's shipped on, which is kind of scary. Pretty decent light, as you can see. And of course, oh god. And with all these reviews, I'm gonna tase myself with it. I'm never ready for this. I always find myself cleaning up beforehand for some reason. Like that's gonna make it any better. There's no zoomable head on it, so it's not as fancy as the tactical, but that's the most important part. All right, let's get out the old test slab. Old ham hock here. Oh man, this is never advised. Don't do this, guys. If somebody's like, hey, you should make a YouTube channel and shock yourself with freaking tasers, say no thank you, because then that's all you're ever gonna do with your life. It's very scary. It hurts a lot every single time. And without further ado here, a bit of Peter Griffin. Oh crap. Go Sharks! I'm not a baseball fan. Or a Boston fan for that matter. Not against Boston. Bostonians. Alright, here we go. Just delaying the inevitable, guys. Oh, son of a... Alright. As always, that sucked very badly. Very badly. Bigly. Turned into Trump all of a sudden. Let's get these little white dots. That's when you know it's the real deal with these things. You start getting these white dots where you get hit. And I mean the real deal part of it is when I clenched my fist up, but that's how you know. And that's how you know, folks. The white dots. But yeah, I'm not gonna pop myself with this one again. That was that first one was enough. Whew. But yeah, if you guys like this content, click that like button. Subscribe always helps out or whatever. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and as always, peace.